Looks like we've finally come to the time where I'm gonna have to replace this little tiny little temporary work top. Not exactly sure what I'm gonna do yet, but it can't be too big because you can see there's not much space in here for much to go in here, so I'm going to try and figure it out today. What I do know is that as you can see all these cuts in here, this is going to be a table used to cut to use a track saw on, so I'm thinking maybe some type of those MFT tables, those that square up a track saw. But never built one of those before, so I'm gonna have to try and figure out what to do here. But I know for sure I don't want all those holes in here. I'm not going to use all those holes. Maybe just something to work like a miter saw. Okay, I looked it up. Festool MFT table is 45 9/16 by 30 and 7/16. And the spacing for the holes are 96 millimeters apart, and the hole size is 20.2 millimeters. Now 20.2 is a little bit bigger than 3/4 inch, just a tad bit anyway. So this sheet right here, I went down and picked up a sheet of MDF, and since we can't find metric drill bits, we got this here. I got right there, 3/4 inch, but you can see the 3/4 inch is 19.1 millimeters. And so I think since we're in the US, let's go with 3/4 inch. Seems small, but this is the dimension. I mean, it's like an inch longer and an inch wider, so we can trim it back. It seems a bit small, but it seems to be the size that the table is. It must be for a reason, so I'm just going to go with it for now. When I build the final version, I will adjust as needed. But this MDF table is kind of a practice. And let me go about laying out the holes, and then we'll get back to you again. Okay, we got it referenced off that line right there. We're going to use this here LR32 track, because these are 32 mils between each other, so it'll be 32, 64, 96, so 32, 32, 64, 96. So here and here will be a hole. It's really close together. What if we made it there to there? Man, I really don't want to change the design of this track. But get that perfectly centered there. Perfectly centered there. If I should clamp this down. Nah, it feels pretty good. Wow, it feels heavy. Let's change that up. Still feels heavy. Yeah, that feels better. I think we can get better line that way. These holes are kind of oval. I don't know if you can see that, but let's see. Yeah, you see these holes? They're kind of oval. But I'm hoping this self-centering bit will find the center. That's the plan anyway. So, let's see. If I screw this up, we'll just turn it over, so. And we go 2, skip 2, alright, 32, 64, 96. Skip 2. This one's just outside that 5-inch, so let's see how that looks. Line her up again, kind of give her the eye test. See if those holes are in the center. Huh. Turned out better than I thought. There. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up. Hold on, let's see. But yeah, the camera's not picking it up, but it's right in the center. So it kind of does pass the eye test. It's probably gonna be good enough. After all, this is just a practice one anyway, so. We'll go figure out the next set and we'll finish this up here and then we'll continue from there. Too much. Alright, so that's really good. So, hopefully that's good. So, I guess I can do this. So, hope that's good. If not, well, okay. This is just practice. So, just get 2, 2. Oh, good. Here, go. Perfect. 2, 2. 2. 2. Okay. The thing about it though, maybe I should make these holes here and reference on those finished stocks. That side. I'll get an idea. We can see that it's 49, a quarter, a little over a quarter, right? Alright, let's grab that. Let's stick it in there. And just under a quarter, right? I doubt it's perfect, but you know, it's within the measuring tape, so the error is probably less than a mil. The actual error was me drilling this. Probably can't see, but I messed up here and I messed up here. So there's a lot of holes over here because I didn't count. There's some extra holes right here because I didn't count. So, okay, I'm not 100% sure where we left off last time, but it's time to drill the holes. I mean, we've got all these, indexed here. All these holes indexed there. So, got one of these things here. I guess it's going to drill the hole straight, more or less. Kind of strange, I only got 2. I've had 3, I can see it going straight. You know, sort of like this here. It's got 1, 2, 3. Or if it's real beefy like this one here, it's got 2, but it's really strong. It goes up and down pretty straight. Would have been good if it had a 3rd one, but it's the only thing I could find, so it has only 2. It's basically what I had. Let's get a drill on there. All right, so let's see here. Actually, another thing to remember, this guy here, it comes with rubber feet in them. I mean, you got to pop them all out, otherwise there's a good chance it wouldn't be flat. It's a piece of melamine, so it's pretty flat. I mean, you can feel it sliding on the MDF, which is really flat. So remember, take out these little feet here. Just keep them though, because it, I guess if you're drilling it without a base, it's gonna kind of help you stay where you want to drill. Okay. All right, let's get here. Got done. And let's go drill here. Yeah, you can see, look, it does have a chance to wobble quite a bit there. Look, it's not exact. I don't know if you can see it. Hold on, let's get in there. You see that there? It shakes just a little bit. But I'm going to try and drill straight up and down if we can here. That's good. Yeah, you can see, right? Kind of wants to bubble, but it wants to wobble. But if we got this base plate here, and we get that in there, it'll hold it kind of straight to that. At least that's what I'm hoping. Yeah, actually this base and these two, I guess that makes the 3rd point. So it keeps it pretty straight now. It doesn't really wobble. If you pull it out, see that? Put it in there, it won't wobble anymore. I guess that'll work. Let's take this off of here. Okay, now I just got to figure out how we're gonna index it into these holes here. I figure out how we're gonna line them up on those holes. Let me go think about it for a little while. Okay, I think I figured out a system. I made a little 3/4 inch dog, I guess, fits in the hole. It's out of steel because I had a piece of 3/4 inch steel lying around, but I think if I did it again, I'd definitely make it out of aluminum or something softer. It's kind of tough. Anyway, this is what I figure. I have a drill bit, same size as that hole there. If we put that on there, then we slide this over like that. That'll line the hole. Then we get this guy, and I guess we pop it on there, like so. That would align that hole. And then I guess we clamp it down here. So I want to wrap up this side here. One more clamp on this side. Let's see here. take this out. Uh-oh, I didn't think this through so good. Can't take it out. Or can I? Oh, okay, we can take it out. Then I guess we drill the hole. Hopefully it comes out straight. I don't know. Well, let's find out. Here's the first one. Oops. See how that first hole came out. Huh. Oh. I made one. Yeah, it's tight, but it's okay. I don't think it was a good idea to put that plywood underneath there. Didn't really line up that nice. But at least we have one hole. We can use that hole to make to measure these guys off of. I think I kind of like this. This is nylon, so no matter what, it's non-marring. But yeah, I made it to go in that hole, which is a little bigger. That was with a spade. This one is with the bit I'm using now. It's a bit tight, yeah. So okay, I guess I'll do the same for the rest of the holes all the way down there. And when we get that first row, I guess we'll be back. Okay, this is about as much holes as I want, I think. It's not fully done, but if I need more, I'll just make a few more holes. So I think we're done for now. Just gonna put this away and everything that I used, just in case I have to drill some more holes. Put all that away, and then I didn't plan on chamfering any of these holes. I didn't think it was necessary, but the MDF, the very top, this it's like paper, kind of got rolled over a little bit, so very tight right at the very top. But just beyond that, it's perfectly fine. So I think I'm going to chamfer all these holes, just a slightly tiniest little round over actually. And I've got to think about what I'm going to do for finishing. I'm not sure if I'm going to finish it or not, or put any kind of finish, because this is the practice or temporary top. Don't really want to put too much work into it. So let me go and round over all these little holes now.